Okay, so today we are going to discuss and to conduct one of the most interesting and fascinating experiments in chemistry. And the name of this experiment is chromate-dichromate equilibrium. Yeah. So actually what happens in this experiment? We have two ions. How many? Two ions, okay? First one, this one. What is the name of this ion? Chromate. Chromate ion. Let me write, okay? Chromate ion. Okay, if I ask you what is the color of this solution? Yeah, yellow color, okay? You can see. And the second ion is
Orange,
dichromate. Good. It is called as dichromate ion. Yeah. So, what is the color of dichromate solution?
Orange.
Orange color. Yeah, you can see. Now, what we will do in this experiment, we will see that how to change the yellow color to orange color. Yeah, in simple words. And how to change the orange color to yellow color. So actually what happens in chemical equilibrium? In chemical equilibrium we have two processes. How many? Two. One is called forward. From left to right it is called as forward reaction, right? Yeah. And what is the name of the second reaction? From right to left. That is called as reverse. Yeah, reverse reaction. Yeah. So, what we will do in this experiment, practically, we will do the experiment as well, okay? So actually, if we want to change the yellow color to orange, what we will have to do? Simple. We will just add acid because hydrogen ion comes from acid, okay? For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, any acid you can use, right? But yeah, if you will use strong acid means they completely dissociate into ions, hydrogen ion and negative ion, right? Then your reaction will do very fast, right? Its speed or rate of reaction will be fast. And secondly, if you want to change the orange color to yellow, or if you want to change dichromate into chromate, yeah, simply what you have to add? You will add hydroxide ion. And we know that hydroxide ion comes from what? Which compound? Alkali. Like for example, sodium hydroxide, right? Okay, so now we are going to conduct this experiment practically. Okay, how to do this experiment? Simple. We must have yellow solution, means chromate solution. Second, yeah, we must have orange solution, not must. I used the word like must. It's not must. If you have only one solution, yellow or orange, you can proceed the experiment. Just you must have acid and alkali. That's it. But yeah, if you have both of the solutions, then it would be easy to conduct this experiment. Okay. So now, yeah, let's start the experiment, and then you will see. One of you can come here. Yeah, wait, just see, observe, and then you will conduct as well. Yeah, one by one, okay? So for this we have to use gloves, right? Because these chemicals. Wait, yeah. So actually, why we are using gloves for this experiment? Because these chemicals are strongly your skin. Yeah. Your hands, your skin. So that's why you have to use gloves, okay? Okay, so now let's prepare the solutions. First one. Yeah, we can use a steam holder, okay, like this. Now open this bottle. First, which solution we are going to prepare? Dichromate, okay? It is dichromate. Okay. just a little amount yeah. Okay, so now we will add a little amount of water to make what?
Like orange.
Solution, yeah.
Orange.
Yeah, you can see, okay? Just dissolve it completely, okay? So now which solution it is?
Orange.
Yeah, what is the name of this solution?
Dichromate.
Dichromate. Okay. Now we are going to make chromate solution. Yeah, chromate. This one, okay? Similarly, just little amount. Yeah. So what will be the color of this solution? Color.
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah. So yellow solution we are going to prepare, okay? It's enough, okay. Mm, okay. Now let's see its color. It must be what? Yellow.
Yellow.
You can see. Okay. Again, let's dissolve it completely. Now, who can explain if we want to change yellow to orange? What we have to do? See there, acid. We will add what? Acid. Okay, so let's see. Acid is in this here. Okay, we can directly add. Okay, let's see. Yeah. See the result. Okay. So yellow color turned to orange. But what we get?
Acid.
Yeah, acid. Which acid it is? Nitric acid. Now, first means for it was forward plus reaction or reverse. See there. Is it forward or reverse?
Orange.
It was forward because yellow turned to orange. Now, if you want the reverse reaction, means orange to yellow. So what we have to add then?
Acid.
In this case, we have to add alkali, sodium hydroxide. And for sodium hydroxide, we will again make a solution, okay? So we have to make a solution. A little amount just add here. Yeah. So you will see which reaction reverse, okay? So first we have to make solution. Just add little amount of water, okay? Now we have to dissolve. And by the way, is it exothermic or endothermic? This one. Exothermic. Because when you dissolve alkali, strong alkali in water, it releases heat. Remember this, okay? Yeah. So it's almost ready, okay? Now, I am using the same solution which we prepared here. By adding SL2, yellow color is turned to orange. And now, I want the reverse reaction. So what I will do? I will add alkali. So again you can see, okay? It is now again what? Yellow. Yellow means, yeah, little orange there, but it's okay. If you will check this, it will completely turn to yellow, okay? Yeah. So you saw from this experiment that we can practically see which process chemical equilibrium. Because in chemical equilibrium, how many reactions we have? Two.
For
Forward and
possession.
reverse. Yeah. So that was practical demonstration of which topic? Chromate-dichromate equilibrium. Okay.